Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tracy.bish and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia, and welcome to January's Global Monthly Video Hop Group. We are Stampin' Up! Demonstrators from around the world. We get together every month with a new theme, and this month's theme is celebration. It's celebration time with Stampin' Up!, which means free products for every order. I'm using two of our free celebration products in the catalogue. The first one is Thanks a Bunch stamp set. This is available with a $90 order here in Australia. Different markets have different prices, as well as the Dainty Designs DSP pack. This is a huge pack, and it has lots and lots of sheets, beautiful colours. This is called the Dainty Design DSP, and you can pick this one up for a $180 order in January and February. Alright, so I'm doing a bit of a fun fold card for you, which is super exciting. I'll bring that in a minute. But like I said, this is for the Global Monthly Video Hop, where we have videos come through and you can go along with the hop and see what everyone creates using the celebration products, which is fantastic. So the links to the other videos are in the bottom of the description box, so please go and check those out. So we're using thick, basic white, thick cardstock. We've also got Mango Melody cardstock, got more basic white thick, and then we have a couple of the designs from that Dainty Designs DSP. So first off, the basic white thick card is 11 by 4¼ inches. We're going to score that at 2 3/4 and 5½. The Mango Melody card is 10 3/4 by 3½, and we're going to score that at 3½ and 6½. Don't worry about those measurements. You can find them all over my blog, and there is the blog post is listed in the description. So you can find all that information over my blog and you'll be fine. Alright, so I've just scored those pieces, and I love the colours. I've got the colours from that Dainty Designs DSP, and who doesn't love green and orange? It's a real spring sort of weather. Alright, so we're going to place these two pieces in together. We've also got some DSP cut ready to go. Like I said, all those measurements are over my blog, so go and check those out. And we're going to do some stamping and die cutting now. So we have a small piece of that Dainty Designs DSP. We're using the 2nd and 4th smallest circles from the Stylish Shape dies. I love these dies. I think it is a must in your craft room. They are so handy. So once we have our stamping done, we can run these through the the cut and emboss machine. We used to have a Big Shot. So the three colours that I'm using for this card are Greeny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Pumpkin Pie. Alright, so I'm going in. I have a large carrot and then a small carrot that we're going to stamp. And I'm going in with the solid image is going to be Mango Melody, and then there is an image with just the edges, and we're using that with Pumpkin Pie. I love this. Now, one thing I really do need to go and get my re-inker for my Mango Melody, because it was so dry and it wasn't very bright and shiny like a Mango Melody should be. So if you're in need of any of the supplies that I'm using on today's card, you can purchase them in my online store if you live in Australia. And I would love it if you did. I have a great little customer appreciation gift that I give out every month. So there is a handmade card as well as a bundle tutorial. And if you spend over $100 of product, you'll also receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle as well. So lots and lots of inspiration, and yeah, I really appreciate all my customers. So if you're in need of purchasing anything, you can certainly do that in my online store. Alright, so I've just masked off the stem of that leafy area for the top of the carrot. I didn't want that whole piece, and I wanted to just be able to fussy cut the whole carrot out and be nice and quick and easy. So we've also stamped our sentiment in the Greeny Apple Green. I've stamped the small carrot onto our basic white piece that's going inside the card, and then the sentiment is also in the Mango Melody. So I've quickly die cut those two circles, and we're just going to quickly fussy cut out our little carrot there, or our big carrot, which is so cute. So there are no dies with this, but it's such an easy one to be able to fussy cut out. It doesn't take long at all. And then we can start popping it together. Now this card really does go together really well once you have all your pieces all ready. And yeah, I will say I absolutely love this set. I was so excited when I saw it come out. And yeah, I think the Celebration catalogue is a winner because there's so many great items in the catalogue. Whether you like your DSP or stamp sets, you know, you're really well covered. So I'm going to use some liquid glue to add all our pieces together. So we're starting with this Designer Series paper. This measures 5 1/4 by 4 1/8, and then we're adding this garden green DSP piece. This one measures, I think it's 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. But anyway, don't forget all the measurements are over there, so you can grab them as you need them. So we're just adding all our pieces down. Then we're going to glue in our Mango Melody piece into the card base. And this is really quite easy to do once you fold it together and make sure that you're lined up on all the sides so it's nice and in the middle. And with it being closed, it just makes it a little bit easier to make sure it's positioned well. And by using the green liquid glue, you've got plenty of time to wiggle it into the right position. So we're adding our circle that we've die cut out. I'm going to pop up my sentiment piece, and it's going to go to the bottom right. You could always put it in the middle, just up to you completely where you want to put it. And then we're going to add dimensionals to the top of the flower and then the bottom of the flower, and it's going to sit on the edge of our circle there. Now you can put it wherever you like, but I found if you sort of lay it down first, work out where you want to put it, and then because the sentiment piece is already popped up, you don't need to use more adhesive there. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to come in with some rhinestones, and I've just got basic rhinestones, using a few to add a little bit of spark and shine. Alright, so I really hope that you've enjoyed my card. I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit subscribe, do that as well. And please go and check out all my friends' wonderful projects using the Celebration products. Let me know in the comments what your favourite Celebration product is so far, and what you're really wanting to get your hands on. But I really hope that you'll look at these two products in the Celebration catalogue. Super cute, I love it. Now you could add extra layers if you wanted to. I don't think it needs it. I think that is just gorgeous the way it is. Alright everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you back again really soon, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.